Good morning, everybody. Today is Thursday. It's our first day of the NWEA testing. So I want to do a little video explaining what the work was for today and just showing you what you needed to do. So if you had any questions, you could watch this video. But of course, like normal, I have it all typed up with the instructions by everything. But I just wanted to make this video just so you understood what we were doing today. So let me share my screen and go through each of our things on Canvas just like I would on a normal day. So of course, click on the Wednesday button. And today our reading activity is actually going to be on Seesaw. So, of course, this is the wrong day. Good morning, everybody. Today is Thursday. It's our first day of the NWEA testing. So I just wanted to make a little video for you today explaining exactly what you need to do on Canvas, kind of like I normally would on a typical day. Of course, the instructions are all on the page like I normally do, but if you ever have a question, this might be a good video to watch to remind you what to do. So I'm going to get started by sharing my screen and showing you what to do on Canvas. So you'll click on Thursday, of course. So for our reading activity today, it's going to be through Seesaw. So you'll click on the Seesaw logo, log in, and then we are doing the Read Out Loud activity for 10:15. All this is asking you to do is pick a book at your level. It can be fiction or nonfiction. I would prefer it to be an actual book instead of an epic book, but if you don't have another choice, I understand. When you click on Add Response, you're going to click on Video, and you're going to record yourself with video reading out loud for 5 minutes and then submit the video to me. I know we tried to do this when I wasn't here that one day on Flipgrid to see you read, but that never worked. So I just wanted to use Seesaw to see how you read. So just like I said before, you'll go into here and you'll click on Video for your answer. I just can't click on video right now because I'm recording a video for you. But your answer, you'll click on video and you'll record yourself reading a book at your level for 5 minutes. So that will be your reading activity for today. Let's go back to the main screen. Of course, add to your reading log. Read for 20 to 30 minutes, record it, book title and description. Today for writing, we are submitting our writing. So what that means is you are going to open your writer's notebook and go to your writing piece, copy your writing piece and paste it into a Google Doc, and then just change the title and your name. And I'll show you this in a minute. But before you submit to me your writing, make sure your writing makes sense, has a good lead, has a good conclusion, has 2 quotes, capital letters at the beginning of sentences, capital names and the word I, and punctuation at the end of your sentence. Anything we did in past assignments where we had to highlight people or underline things, you can take that all out and just have it be a nice plain document. So I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. So you'll open up the button here, and this button will lead you to a Google Doc. And you can see that I have my Google Doc open, but I have my writer's notebook open on this other side here. So what I want you to do is take your writing piece and copy it. So you can right click, copy, and then go back to the Google Doc and paste it. And then I'm going to go back because I did it on more than one slide, highlight it all, copy, and paste it. And then I have one more slide with my conclusion. I'm going to copy and paste it. And it's in. And remember, for your paragraphs, you got to tap it over. And what I want you to look at when you submit it too, make sure your paragraphs has an indent. And then all of these words that are highlighted and underlined, I want you to take that out for me. So lastly is underlined. Where'd my cursor go? And I want you to take out that underline. The word then is underlined. I want you to take that out. Next is underlined. I want you to take that out. First is underlined. Take that out. Oops, I bolded it. And then anything that's highlighted, I want you to take out too. And you can just do no highlight. And then before you submit it, well, let me finish taking out my highlights. Before you submit it, I just want you to change it to your title. And my title was Sunrise Over Arches. And then I want you to write by and then your name. So I'll do Miss Kazmaya. And then just like you would before, you'll go into your blue check mark and submit it for me. So that is what you're doing for writing today, is just polishing it up and submitting it to me. Let's go into the rest of our day so you can see what we're going to do. Ooh, we have the picture match today. I know you guys love the picture match. Open it up. So I already have one done for you. I have tub. So just go through just like we normally would. Insert, image, search from web, type in your word over here, and drag it onto the screen. And then of course resize it so it fits in the box. And do that for all of the words on all of the slides. Let's go back and see what we have for Math Day. Oh, Math Day I think is easy and I think you'll like it. It's on Seesaw. So you'll go into Seesaw and you'll click on the addition practice activity. So it's 1014 addition practice. You'll click add response. And so all it is it has three-digit addition problems on each slide. So make sure you do all 4 slides. And you can answer these with using a text box or the marker, whatever you think is best. But make sure there's 12 problems. Make sure you do all 12 problems. So that's for Math Day. Nothing in Envision, nothing in Savvis. And then today for Social Studies, it's also on Seesaw. Let me open that up. Click this way. It's just going to take me a minute to get there because the day I'm doing it, it's not submitted yet. So we are going to design a new dollar bill. So just read this. It tells you some fun facts about George Washington. And then you're going to go on and use the drawing tools and make a new $1 bill for me. I know you guys are super creative, so I'm very excited to see these. And then, of course, to help you out, we have our Thursday checklist, which I'll just show off before I turn off our video. So if you just forget anything I said or don't feel like listening to this whole video, of course, go to your Thursday checklist and it says everything you need to do. Your rereading activity on Seesaw, or your reading activity on Seesaw, your reading log, submitting your writing onto a Google Doc, your picture match, your addition practice on Seesaw, and your social studies on Seesaw. So there's 3 activities on Seesaw today, so make sure you go check those out. That is all I have to say. So I can't wait to see some of you for the testing. And if I don't see you today, then I'll see you tomorrow. If you have any questions, message me in Canvas or email me. I'll be checking my messages and email all day. So if you have any questions, send me a message and I'll respond to you as soon as I see it. If not, I'll see you sometime soon and have a good day. Bye.